Hi, my dear friends. I hope you are all of doing very great. So it's my pleasure. So very good morning. And today's video I'll share with you, friends, some answer of two questions in UX design. So first will coming what is the usability testing in UX design, and second question will come what is the heuristic evaluation in UX design and how can we execution heuristic evaluation in our project. So yeah, let's get start. So first question was that what is usability testing. So my dear friends, basically usability testing is a way to testing something with real users. So I can give you one example so that it will be easy to understand for you, friends. So for example, when any users using any particular digital product, for example, so when they using this particular product, in that time they could be facing uh, they could be encounter problems, they could be gathering bad or good experiences. So that is basically usability testing, and for that we designers basically use usability testing in a project, so it's mandatory, that's why. And now coming for second question, what is the heuristic evaluation. So I'll explain you in a easiest way. So heuristic evaluation basically helps designer to create a more accessible and more user friendly interfaces in a particular product. Okay, so that is why we basically using heuristic evaluation. Okay, and now uh, coming for how can we execution actually heuristic evaluation. Okay, so I'll share with you one. So guys, Nilsson Norman, okay, is a famous usability or heuristic evaluation experienced and founder of Nilsson Norman Group. Okay, so Nilsson Norman gave 10 rules of thumb that we can using and create more accessible and uh, user friendly interfaces in a particular product. So I'll share with you by using one quote these 10 rule of thumbs, so that in future you will remember easily. Okay, so the quote is that you have charm. So U for user control and freedom. Okay, and have Ace for helps to recognize, diagnose, and recover from error. Okay, and A for aesthetic and minimalistic design, and V for uh, visibility of system status actually, yeah, and E for error prevention. And now coming charm C for consistency and standards. Okay, and H for helps to documentation, and A for uh, accelerators and flexibility. Okay, and R for recognition rather than recall. and lastly aim for match between system and real worlds. So these 10 rules of thumbs Nilsson Norman gave to us for more for we can using these we can create more user friendly and accessible interfaces in a particular product, digital product. So I hope you are all of like understand what is usability testing and what is like heuristic evaluation and 10 rules of thumbs of heuristic evaluation. So I can repeat one in short, like usability testing means basically uh, is a usability testing is a way to testing something with real world, and heuristic evaluation helps to designers to create more accessible and user friendly interfaces in a particular product. If and if we using these 10 rules of thumbs which Nilsson Norman gave to us, so that it will be more user friendly and more accessible. So that is guys, so I hope you are all of understand guys. So for today I can end here the video and we will meet on the next video. So for now, bye bye and see you soon guys. Yeah, bye.